Friends, today we have received this package from Amazon, and this I have ordered Sony Xperia XA Ultra, that is dual SIM, and I have selected it to purchase it from Amazon. It is a 6 months old device, and let us see that what we received in the packet. So friends, here is the package, and awesome is that we have received a 32 GB micro SD card as free, along with this mobile as a free stuff. And now let us have a physical overview of the box pack. So this is the Xperia very typed Sony box packaging, and here nothing, and we just see on the back that what are the specifications. So this is the graphite black color, and I have MRP is 30,000. However, I have purchased it at 22,000, and this is a 6-inch long screen mobile. The mobile was launched in the month of November 2016. So friends, it is not that much old, and the specifications which we consider, these are still in the present age maybe used for the latest network. So this is 4G LTE. We shall see that whether it supports VoLTE or not, and within the 5.10 minutes it charges the battery for 5.5 hours. So it supports quick charging, and these are some other specifications, IMEI number, etc. So let's go ahead. So friends, let us open up the box, and very normal type of packaging. And the first thing we see in the box pack itself, this is the Sony Xperia XA Ultra Dual itself. So I just keep it aside for a while, and let's see what other stuff are there in the packaging. So this is a standard mini USB. It is not type C, it is mini USB, micro USB cable, so it is okay. Now these are the headphones. Sony is very prominent headphone manufacturer, so we shall test the quality of these headphones also. And this is 3.5 mm jack, and let us see the charger. So as far as charger is concerned, the charger is having current of 12 volt 1.35 ampere. So, and with 5 volt it is 2.7. so certainly it is a fast charger. We shall check that whether the claim of the company that within 10 minutes it charges the phone for 5.5 hours, whether it is correct or not. We shall check that also. So this is the stuff, and these are some user manual and quick start guide and warranty cards. So let us all keep it aside, and let us come to the device. So friends, this is the device. I just take it out, and this graphite black, and company has given some coating and cover over it, and still I think this is some dual SIM sign. So this is marking that it is dual SIM mobile, because this mobile is available in single SIM also. So on the front, if we see that these are the sensors, proximity and gyroscope, etc., Sony branding. Then this is the camera. This is, friends, it is front 16 megapixel camera. So we shall see, we shall test the photographs and quality of this along with the flash, and this flash is also provided. And then this is 6-inch long screen. So 6-inch long is a really a very good size of screen, and there are some instruction for installation of SIM, etc. I just peel it out, and on the right side, if we see that this is the power button, volume rocker, these are good fitment, and this is the dedicated camera key, shutter key. So it is as far as this phone is concerned, it is specifically designed for camera. And on the top this is 3.5mm jack, and this is the secondary microphone. And on the left side, if we see, this is the SIM tray. Just I take it out, and these are the dual SIM as well as micro SD card. So we shall both the cards are both the SIM slots are nano SIMs. And on the bottom, these are the speaker grills and charging port, data syncing cable, and primary microphone. Now let us first boot up the device. So friends, this is the Sony branding, and let it boots up. I just give quickly the specification that this is the 180 by 1920p display, and on the back it is 21.5 megapixel camera, single LED flash, NFC is there, Sony Xperia branding. And apart from that, this is having a 2700 mAh non-replaceable battery, 3 GB RAM, 16 GB internal, and which is expandable up to 128 GB. This is powered by Android 6.1. It is 204 grams, and this is friends curved display with the mobile Bravia technology. The CPU and chipset is the 2 octa-core which is MediaTek MT6755. The chipset is quite old, but we shall see the performance. So let us get started. I skip all this, and let's see. I will do all this later on. I'll skip anyway, and this is, I'll sign it later on. So friends, this is the first boot, and you can see that this is edge to edge display almost, and this is the interface of the phone is just like Sony standard. And let's quickly check the camera quality. I just keep a subject here and just see that how is the camera quality. Very sharp. So friends, this is the camera quality, and pictures are very sharp and crispy, and there is no noise, and the screen is very smooth. So friends, I will come with the detailed review of this mobile, and will certainly test it on the Jio also. Till then, goodbye. Thanks a lot.